Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's prepare a healthy and tasty Ragi Malt. Ragi Malt is a nutritious and energy boosting drink rich in calcium, iron and fiber. Soak 1 cup ragi overnight. Dry roast it till it changes its color. Ragi strengthens bones, aids digestion, controls blood sugar, and helps with weight management. Being gluten-free and easy to digest, it's perfect for young to old people. Regular consumption supports overall health, keeps you active, and promotes healthy skin and hair. Here I have taken 3 cardamoms and 10 to 15 soaked almonds. Soak sabja for 15 to 20 minutes. Take jaggery as per your sweetness. Let's grind the roasted ragi. With 3 cardamoms and soaked almonds, and also with jaggery. Let's add some water and grind to a smooth paste. Grind ragi in batches. Strain the ragi milk with the help of a strainer and a whisker. Ragi is also good for heart health as it helps lower bad cholesterol and keeps blood pressure in check. It improves brain function, boosts immunity, and helps reduce stress. The natural iron content prevents anemia, making it a great choice for kids, pregnant women. It also keeps the body cool in summer and warm in winter, making it a perfect year-round drink. Repeat grinding with water. Again, strain the milk from ragi and continue the process. Add ice cubes for refreshment. And there you have it, your healthy and tasty Ragi Malt. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you never miss an upcoming video. Also, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me. Please check the ingredients and method of preparation in the description box. Thanks for watching. You can also connect with me on Facebook and Instagram. See you in the next video. Bye bye.